In 2024, something awakened. 22 revelations shattered the foundations of science, opened breaches in reality, and the first of them might not even have been born on this planet. Imagine submerged temples that converse with the stars, impossible metals gleaming atop the Caucasus peaks, labyrinths buried beneath the Antarctic ice, exhaling heat. Each discovery destroys convictions, topples paradigms, and reminds us that the unknown still governs the Earth. Today, you will cross portals that reason insists on keeping sealed. Hold your breath, keep your eyes wide open, and do not look away. Because discovery number 1 does not merely challenge the laws of physics, it suggests that we may never have been alone. Welcome to the improbable. 22. The sunken temple of Koh Tao, Thailand. At the beginning of 2024, divers investigating reefs near the Thai island of Koh Tao found something that redefines history: submerged structures resembling ancient temples. At first, they appeared to be natural rock formations, but they soon revealed carved columns and chambers interconnected by mysterious passages. Archaeologists suggest that these ruins belong to an unknown civilization, much older than any cultures already catalogued in the region. What is most intriguing is the geometric layout of the structures, which seems aligned with certain constellations. Initial tests, including carbon dating, were unable to determine the precise age of the ruins, fueling speculation. Some scholars claim that the site may have served as a primitive astronomical observatory. There are indications that, millennia ago, the temple stood on dry land, submerging only after the sea level rose at the end of the last ice age. Curiosity: mysterious symbols, similar to Khmer inscriptions, were discovered in some chambers but have yet to be deciphered. 21. The crystallized forest of Mount Fitzroy, Argentina. In February 2024, researchers monitoring the impact of climate change in the Andes stumbled upon something astonishing at the foot of Mount Fitzroy. A fossilized forest transformed into pure crystal. Shimmering trunks and branches, as if made of solid quartz, preserved astonishing details thanks to a rare mineralization process. The discovery shocked the scientific community, as such perfect fossilization of trees is extremely rare. Experts believe that a special combination of volcanic ash and mineral waters may have enabled the phenomenon. Moreover, fossilized insects inside the trunks could offer valuable information about the ancient local ecosystem. Local legend: residents avoid the site at night, saying the trees whisper in the wind, feeding stories and legends. 20. The labyrinth beneath Antarctica's ice. In 2024, radar scans of the glaciers revealed a gigantic network of tunnels and chambers beneath the Antarctic ice. Initially thought to be natural formations, detailed studies revealed evident architectural patterns with carved entrances and corridors. The origin of the labyrinth is uncertain. Some believe it is the work of an ancient civilization that existed before the glaciation, while others suggest intense geothermal activity as the cause. Curiously, there are areas of elevated radiation, and thermal images indicate zones of heat beneath the ice. Researchers speculate that there may be microbial life forms adapted to extreme conditions. Popular theories: some connect the labyrinth to myths of Atlantis or to secret bases hidden beneath the ice. 19. The emerging towers of Lake Nyos, Cameroon. In March 2024, a subtle tremor in Lake Nyos released underground gases, revealing an intriguing phenomenon. Vertical pillars of limestone and sediments rose from the depths, dubbed the floating towers. The site astonished residents and left scientists perplexed, as it defies known geological explanations. Some experts suggest that they may be remnants of ancient collapsed caves, but the origin remains enigmatic. The mystery deepens, with nighttime reports of lights dancing over the towers and waters glowing with bioluminescence. Scientists believe that volcanic gases, such as carbon dioxide, may interact with organic compounds to produce these luminous effects. Rare minerals found in the towers may offer clues about the geological evolution of the region. Local view: native peoples regard the towers as protective entities and hold ceremonies in their honor. 18. The suspended city of Roraima, Brazil, Venezuela. At the summit of Mount Roraima, a mountain already surrounded by legends, a team of mountaineers discovered caves that lead to astonishing natural formations. The place, called the Suspended City, features columns that support platforms, reminiscent of the floors of a metropolis that appears to float in the air. Although erosion over millennia likely carved these shapes, the almost symmetrical arrangement continues to intrigue researchers. Inside the caves, rock inscriptions were found that do not correspond to any known indigenous group. Initial studies indicate that these markings may be representations of celestial maps, suggesting a possible link with ancient cultures and their astronomical observations. Geologists continue to investigate whether these formations result solely from rare natural processes or if there are signs of human influence. The restricted access, requiring advanced climbing techniques, further adds to the mystery of the discovery. Intriguing. Many scholars believe that the site may have served as a spiritual center for ancestral peoples, but its true purpose remains an enigma. 17. The Yellow Brick Road of the Pacific, Pacific Ocean. In April 2024, explorers aboard the Nautilus ship documented a curious rock formation in the depths of the Pacific Ocean, near the Liliuokalani Ridge, north of Hawaii. Dubbed the Yellow Brick Road, the formation is composed of rectangular blocks that resemble a perfectly aligned pavement. Geologists suggest its origin is volcanic, but the nearly flawless arrangement of the rocks defies conventional explanations. Some experts consider that the formation may be part of a much larger, submerged landscape, possibly related to ancient unknown structures. Collected samples revealed chemical compounds that do not correspond to common volcanic processes, raising hypotheses about possible human intervention. Curious, this discovery has reignited debates about submerged civilizations, such as the legendary Atlantis, attracting the interest of scholars and adventurers. 16. The donut-shaped structure at the Earth's core. In September 2024, scientists using state-of-the-art seismic technology detected an anomalous structure at the planet's core. A donut-shaped formation composed of materials distinct from the rest of the core, located thousands of kilometers beneath the surface. This discovery challenges traditional geophysical models. Experts believe that this finding could reshape the current understanding of the Earth's interior, providing new clues about the magnetic field and internal processes. It is still unclear how this formation originated, but it opens the door to new theories about the planet's evolution. Impact. Besides challenging established theories, the discovery could have significant implications for the study of earthquakes and the Earth's magnetic field. 15. The hidden tomb beneath Al-Khazneh, Petra, Jordan. In October 2024, archaeologists discovered a secret tomb located beneath Al-Khazneh, Petra's iconic treasury. Inside the tomb, the remains of 12 individuals were found, along with a mysterious artifact known as the Chalice of Petra. This discovery offers new insights into the funerary rituals of the Nabateans, a people that still arouse historical curiosity. The artifact is under analysis and shows indications of substances possibly linked to religious ceremonies. Paintings on the walls depict festivities and offerings, suggesting that the tomb belonged to prominent individuals. Its strategic location indicates a possible underground network of burial chambers that may hide even more archaeological treasures. Significance: The chalice of Petra could help unravel the spiritual and social practices of the Nabateans, prompting future archaeological expeditions in the region. 14. The L-shaped structure in the pyramids of Giza, Egypt. In May 2024, Egyptian archaeologists identified an underground L-shaped structure in the western necropolis of Giza, near the famous pyramids. Detected by ground-penetrating radar, the formation differs from others known at the archaeological site. Researchers suspect that the corridor may have served as a connection between burial chambers or may have been used as a secret passage by priests or workers. Limestone blocks, bearing marks from rudimentary tools, suggest that the structure may have been repurposed or modified over time. Recent studies indicate that the corridor may connect to an even larger network of hidden chambers. Impact: this discovery offers new clues about Egyptian engineering and the funerary traditions linked to the pyramids, potentially revealing details about construction methods and rituals of ancient Egypt. 13. The mysterious patterns in Antarctica. Floating ice shelf. In November 2024, scientists observed intriguing geometric formations beneath a vast ice shelf in Antarctica. Captured in satellite images, these markings exhibit repetitive and symmetrical patterns that defy immediate natural explanations, resembling possible traces of artificial origin. Theories about their origin range from meteorite impacts to interactions between underground magma and the base of the ice sheet. Magnetic anomaly readings in the area strengthen the hypothesis of the presence of hidden metallic structures, whether natural or not. The geometric precision of the markings suggests technologies still unknown or tools beyond our current understanding, reigniting discussions about possible mysteries hidden beneath the Antarctic ice. Future outlook. These patterns may be linked to intense geological phenomena or fragments of ancient meteorites, but some believe they are evidence of past civilizations or even extraterrestrial origins. 12. The enigmatic underground circle at Göbekli Tepe, Turkey. Göbekli Tepe, recognized as the oldest temple ever discovered, amazed the world once again in 2024. Beneath layers of sediment, archaeologists unearthed an underground circular structure carved directly into the rock. Unlike the well-known pillars decorated with animals, this chamber appears even older and displays a remarkable level of architectural sophistication. The domed ceiling features mysterious inscriptions that challenge current understanding. Among the markings are spirals and depictions of constellations such as Orion and Sirius, indicating that the site may have been used as an astronomical observatory. At its center, there is a polished stone platform that possibly served for rituals or ceremonies. Excavations revealed fragments of primitive tools and human bones, suggesting practices of sacrifice. This discovery reinforces the view of Göbekli Tepe as a multifaceted spiritual complex. Traces of pigments on the walls suggest the existence of paintings of deities or ancestral myths. This discovery broadens our understanding of the astronomical knowledge and engineering skills of ancient civilizations, challenging the notion that humanity at that time was exclusively nomadic. 11. The unexplained structure near the black hole, Sagittarius A, center of the Milky Way. In October 2024, astronomers detected a fascinating discovery near Sagittarius A, the supermassive black hole at the heart of the Milky Way. Using ultra-high-resolution telescopes, they identified a formation that defies current expectations about black hole behavior. This structure exhibits stability, something rare in such a hostile environment. Researchers consider that it could be composed of plasma shaped by extreme magnetic fields, or even some type of matter yet to be identified. Another possibility is that it is a star cluster resistant to the intense gravitational force. If confirmed, This discovery could revolutionize our understanding of accretion disks, relativistic jets, and open new frontiers in high-energy physics. Importance: this structure may reveal unprecedented secrets about the interaction between black holes, matter, and energy, expanding the knowledge of modern astrophysics. 10. The ancient submerged city of Atlit Yam, coast of Israel. In August 2024, underwater archaeologists revealed surprising details of Atlit Yam, a submerged city approximately 9,000 years old off the coast of Israel. Remarkably well preserved, the city features stone houses, freshwater wells, and artifacts that showcase the complexity of Neolithic life. Among the findings, a circle of stones possibly used for ceremonies stands out, aligned with the solstices, indicating advances in astronomical knowledge. The flooding of the city is attributed to the rise in sea level at the end of the last ice age. Evidence of animal domestication and agriculture reveals that its inhabitants were at the forefront of the transition from nomadic groups to settled communities. The site also provides important insights into how ancient populations dealt with climate change. Significance: Atlit Yam is a key piece for understanding how the first human societies adapted to environmental and cultural transformations. 9. The giant crystal caves of Nica, Mexico. In September 2024, a scientific team explored new areas of the famous Nica crystal caves, known for housing gigantic selenite crystals. The newly discovered chambers contain crystals that reach an impressive 12 meters in length. Additionally, researchers found living microorganisms trapped in fluid inclusions within the crystals, estimated to be up to 50,000 years old. These discoveries expand our understanding of life in extreme conditions. The survival of these microscopic beings in environments of intense heat and humidity offers new possibilities for astrobiology, including the hypothesis of life on other planets, such as Mars. Geologists emphasize that the formation of these colossal crystals depended on a rare combination of mineral-rich waters, high temperatures, and prolonged geological isolation. Challenges: the extreme conditions of the caves make exploration difficult, but the findings promise to shed light on geological processes and the resilience of life. 8. The Chavin de Huántar Underground Complex, Peru. In October 2024, archaeologists revealed newly discovered underground tunnels at the Chavin de Huántar archaeological site, one of the most significant pre-Inca ceremonial centers. In addition to these passages, they found chambers filled with richly decorated ceramics and musical instruments made from bones and seashells, showcasing the spiritual and artistic sophistication of this ancient civilization. The ingenious acoustic design of these tunnels seems to have been intended to amplify specific sounds, suggesting immersive rituals. On the walls, sculptures depict gods and mythical beings, reinforcing the idea that these corridors served as sites for initiation or spiritual retreat. Importance: this discovery expands our understanding of Chavin de Huántar as a major spiritual and cultural hub of Andean civilizations. 7. The Valley of the Pyramids, Cusco, Peru. In November 2024, archaeologists uncovered a hidden valley in Cusco filled with pyramid-shaped formations covered by dense vegetation. Confirmed to be human-made structures, these pyramids are aligned with specific constellations, demonstrating the sophisticated astronomical knowledge of their creators. The largest of the pyramids contains crafted ceramics and stairways leading to inner chambers, suggesting a ritualistic use. The way these pyramids were shaped in harmony with the local topography reveals remarkable technical skill. This discovery also suggests that the civilization responsible for their construction may have exerted significant cultural influence on other Andean societies, including the Incas. Impact: located near Machu Picchu and Sacsayhuaman, The valley may have been part of an extensive cultural and commercial network among pre-Inca civilizations. 6. The underground fortress of Archaim, Russia. Known as the Stonehenge of Russia, Archaim revealed in 2024 an elaborate network of underground tunnels leading to a hidden fortress. Built with remarkable technical expertise from the Bronze Age, these tunnels feature ventilation systems and spaces reserved for spiritual ceremonies. On the walls, geometric marks and solar representations suggest spiritual practices linked to sun worship. Its circular layout reinforces the hypothesis that Archaim also served as an astronomical observatory for tracking celestial movements. Significance: Archaim symbolizes the intersection of science, spirituality, and defense, standing out as one of the major cultural centers of the Bronze Age. 5. The Tamanrasset Stone Arch, Algeria. In July 2024, satellite images revealed an impressive natural arch adorned with rock engravings, estimated to be approximately 8,000 years old in the Sahara Desert. The symmetrical marks on the arch indicate the use of rudimentary metal tools, an advanced technology for that time. The engravings depict humanoid figures and extinct animals, suggesting the site's spiritual or ceremonial value for the nomadic peoples who passed through the area. Some of these engravings appear aligned with astronomical phenomena such as solstices and equinoxes, hinting at an additional function as an observatory for tracking the seasons. Impact: besides representing an archaeological landmark, the arch reinforces the profound connection between spirituality and the environment among desert cultures. 4. The spiral structure beneath Greenland's ice. In September 2024, scientists identified a spiral-shaped structure with a diameter of 400 meters hidden beneath Greenland's ice. Although it might be a rare natural formation, its almost perfect symmetry raises the hypothesis of human origin. Researchers believe the spiral may have served as a site for rituals related to natural cycles or solar movements. Isotopic analyses indicate that the structure dates back more than 10,000 years to a time with a milder climate. Significance: if confirmed as a human-made work, this structure would represent one of the oldest pieces of evidence of advanced societies in Arctic regions, opening new perspectives on human presence in extreme environments. 3. The hidden village of Moray, Scotland. In October of 2024, the lowering of a lake's water level revealed the well-preserved remains of the so-called hidden village of Moray, an ancient medieval settlement. Among the ruins are dwellings, a Gothic church in an impressive state of preservation, and a cemetery. The archaeological discoveries point to a community with a strong religious character, possibly isolated, which has been attracting the interest of researchers and visitors alike. According to historical records, the village was abandoned in the 17th century due to the construction of a reservoir. However, local narratives attribute the exodus to a curse, intertwining facts and legends in a fascinating way. Archaeological finds, fragments of manuscripts and liturgical artifacts indicate unconventional religious practices, suggesting a possible dissenting sect. Graves containing rare personal objects, such as amulets, reveal distinct funerary rituals and beliefs about the afterlife. Explorers report hearing distant bells and observing shadows, phenomena that fuel the region's supernatural stories. These accounts blend myth and reality, intensifying the mystery surrounding the site. The discovery offers new perspectives on medieval Scotland, revealing cultural and spiritual aspects of isolated communities and providing a rare glimpse into alternative religious practices. 2. The hidden oasis of Rub al-Khali, Saudi Arabia. In December of 2024, explorers revealed the existence of a secret oasis in the middle of the Rub al Khali Desert, known as the Empty Quarter, with a lagoon of translucent waters and lush vegetation. This discovery challenges the idea that the region is entirely inhospitable, revealing evidence of a civilization that thrived under adverse conditions. The site's isolation has preserved unique plant species, and the water in the lagoon, with its rare mineral composition, supported a peculiar ecosystem. Near the lagoon, ruins reveal sophisticated irrigation systems, highlighting an advanced knowledge of water management. Pottery with geometric patterns and stone tools further underscore the artistic and technical skills of the ancient inhabitants. These clues point to a society that mastered agriculture, trade, and maintained caravan routes across the desert. The strategic location suggests that the oasis served as a resting place and cultural exchange point between various communities. Some objects indicate trade with distant regions, consolidating the site as a center for commerce and coexistence. Researchers continue to study how this place remained nearly untouched in such an extreme environment. Its prolonged isolation may offer valuable insights into human adaptation and climate change, enriching the field of archaeology. Like the hidden village of Moray, the hidden oasis of Rub al Khali demonstrates how the passage of time and the power of nature preserve fragments of history. These discoveries provide a window into the beliefs, innovations, and resilience of ancient societies, underscoring the value of archaeology as a bridge between the past and the present. 1. The shining structure of Kazbegi, Georgia. In October of 2024, mountaineers discovered a metallic structure partially covered by snow on Mount Kazbegi in Georgia. Glinting in the sunlight like gold, the structure bears inscriptions in an unknown language, carved with a precision that defies conventional manufacturing techniques. Preliminary analyses indicated that the material is not pure gold, but a previously unknown metal alloy, with characteristics that intrigue scientists. Angular in shape and with perfectly geometric lines, the structure appears to have been molded from a single block of metal. Located near ancient trade routes, it raises the hypothesis that it was brought by a technologically advanced civilization, or, in more daring theories, that it has extraterrestrial origins. Local legends recount encounters between humans and deities, and many believe the mountain holds the keys to the heavens. Interestingly, strong winds that sweep across the mountain during storms produce sounds reminiscent of mysterious chants. Initial tests revealed unusual thermal and electrical properties, such as highly efficient heat conduction, suggesting that the structure might have been part of some functional artifact, perhaps a communication device or a sophisticated technological tool. The discovery reignites debates about the existence of technologically advanced civilizations in Eurasia and about possible interactions with local cultures. If confirmed to be of non-terrestrial origin, it could revolutionize our understanding of cosmic visits to Earth.